Hey Shruti, I heard you just started your architecture firm. That's amazing.
Thank you, Brittany. This has been in the works for a while, and I'm so happy it's finally happening.
That's awesome. How did you manage to fund it?
I invested in mid-cap fund a few years ago.
Mid-cap fund. Can you tell me more?
A mid-cap fund is an equity mutual fund that invests primarily in companies ranked 101 to 250 by market capitalization. These companies are typically in the growing phase and may have potential for risk-adjusted returns.
That's really smart. I should consider investing for my dream business too.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.